Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to do a collaborative work on a Canva by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is just go open your Canva application on your mobile phone or iPhone, and after that, to do a collaborative work you just need to decide which documents or which project that you want to share or do the collaborations with. So let's say here I will like to have the collaboration in this untitled designs. So you just need to go click it. You need to check what should your friends do over these documents or this project, so that you can give a brief explanation what your friends can do for it. So to do a collaborative work, you just need to go click these three small dots right here, and after that you just need to go scrolling down until you see this share options. So you just need to go click this part, and now you just need to go visit this collaboration link, change from only you can access into anyone with the link. And after you change it, make sure that you can see here what the access that you want. You can do this edit, comment, or view. If you choose the view, so that your friends only can view the documents without do any editing. If you give a comment access, so that your friends will only able to comment into your project. But then if you want that your friends start editing into your project, you just need to go click can edit. And now you just need to copy the link and send the link into your friends through social media or any applications that you have on your phone. So that's the way, guys, how to do a collaboration work with a Canva application. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.